Starbucks Refreshers. Today is all about my versions of pink drinks from Starbucks Refreshers series, and I am going to show you 3 versions, not 1 but 3. Some of you might already have tried this drink. It's supposed to be popular in the US, and if it's popular there, it could be popular here as well. In fact, I had a drink yesterday and I must say it's okay, I like it, but can I do better? Probably. But anyway, typical of my channel, I am going to show you 3 different ways of making it. One is the budget-friendly version, the second is a little bit more premium, and finally the premium version, very close to what Starbucks make. Well, in Starbucks they use acai berry juice, but couldn't find one which resembles that where I am. So I am going to make my own version using strawberry, lemon, and of course slices of frozen strawberries. You can also use slices of fresh strawberries. For the budget-friendly one, I'm going to use the syrup. This is the sugar-free version of this local brand. For the second one, slightly above the budget-friendly version, is using puree. And the final one, which is more premium, will be using juice, which is here, this one is a cherry berry juice. I cannot find acai berry, but you can use acai berry juice. We also need lemon juice. I'm using here freshly squeezed lemon juice, but if you don't have freshly squeezed lemon juice, you can also use some kind of syrup, lemon syrup, and that should work perfectly fine as well. But if you are going to use syrup and puree like this, you can make it more natural by adding fresh lemon juice or calamansi or lime juice. Now, also optional for this would be sugar syrup. Now, if you haven't yet seen how to make your own homemade sugar syrup, do check out the link above. I'm going to use a shaker to make these drinks, and I'm going to make them in large 22 ounces cups. Let's start with the first drink, which is strawberry lemonade, using plain syrup. 30 ml of my syrup. I'm going to add water, bring it to 200 milliliters. And it is already looking very pink here. Add your lemon juice, slices of strawberry. You don't have to use a lot, you can just use 1 piece of strawberry there. I'm going to be generous, and then I'm going to add ice. Shake it really well. The reason why you're shaking this, you want to have a little bit of a tiny foam on top, or bubbles, tiny bubbles on top. Okay? And now, time to pour our drink. Wow, there you go. Very bubbly top. And we have our first drink, which is strawberry acai berry lemonade using plain syrup. Next drink, it is going to be strawberry acai berry lemonade using strawberry puree. Now for this one, I'm going to use the same proportion, although it's not as sweet as the syrup. So I'm going to use about 30 ml of my strawberry puree there. And for this, definitely, I am going to need to add some sugar syrup. So I'm going to add 1 ounce, or depending on your sweetness preferences, 30 ml of my sugar syrup. And then bring this up to about 230 to 240 or 8 ounces of water. And then we are going to add the same amount of lemon juice, slices of strawberry here. And we're going to shake. Now this one, I shook it a little bit better so you get the foam on top, and then pour it into your cup. And if you don't get the glass full, all you have to do is to simply add more ice. And we have our second version of strawberry acai lemonade using puree. For our final version of strawberry acai berry lemonade, we're going to use fresh juice. I need 200 milliliters of juice here. I'm going to add 50 ml of lemon juice just to make it more lemonade-y. And then finally, I'm going to add my slices of frozen strawberry. Because I have only this left, I'm going to just put all of them there. And this is no longer pink, it's looking more red. Add the ice. And we're going to shake. Wow, it is looking very berry. Okay, just pour it into your cup. That looks absolutely delightful there. And we have our final drink using premium fresh juice. 3 versions here, time to find out how they taste like. While the color, these two look pink, this one is a little bit very dark because this is a pure cherry berry juice, so you can try and find some acai berry juice or something lighter than this, or even using lemonade and then you reverse it, so you use lemonade as your base and then you add a little bit of the acai berry juice, then the color might be more pink. But anyway, let's give them a try. This one is using the syrup. Wow, that is really, really refreshing. I must say, even with this syrup, can I say that it even tasted better than the one I had from Starbucks? Well, of course, I would say that to you. Anyway, it really is refreshing, and I could taste that lemon together with that strawberry juice here. And it's just nice to have the strawberry slices there, which you can eat at the end, okay? And now this one is using the puree with a touch of the sugar syrup because puree is not as sweet as the syrup. Okay, let's give it a try. Now, it all depends on the puree that you use. For this one, I think it tastes really natural for some reason here. And I must say, I really love that. It is a little bit on the sweet side because I added sugar syrup. If you don't want to make it very sweet, then you can skip the sugar syrup, but it is also as refreshing. And finally, this one using the pasteurized juice here. It looks absolutely delicious. I like that bubbly top there because of the darker color. The bubbles stay longer as well. I'm going to find out how it tastes like. This tastes more like grapes than strawberry, but again, it is refreshing. So if you are planning to introduce this to your menu or just give this a try, make them at home so that you don't have to spend all those big bucks paying for these drinks in Starbucks. You can absolutely make this at home using any of these ingredients that I have indicated today. Pink drinks inspired by Starbucks Refresher series. Make these delicious drinks at home and let me know how they go for you. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, check out my book, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.